Hey everyone, so what this will be is a really short video sort of navigating you through our Blackboard page. A couple of steps that I skipped. You need to log into CUNY Portal, and when you log into CUNY Portal you'll see something that looks similar to this depending on where in time you are. You click on Blackboard. When you click on Blackboard, you will have a list of courses and you will click on our course. Summer Term, Special Topics in Literature, English 265. And once you click on that, you will be directed to this page. I just want you to notice a couple of things. First, on the left-hand side is where you'll find a bunch of buttons that you'll find varying information. So here will be where you'll see a welcome. Announcements will be if there are any announcements that I'm making about maybe we will be meeting in a different room, class is canceled, although I don't really ever cancel class, but this is where you will find it. If you ever have questions about deadlines or want to just, relook at the syllabus, you click on syllabus. And you'll be able to see the syllabus. For me, what's really important for you guys to see is the daily course material. So when you click on daily course material, you'll see this. And you'll notice it in fact is daily course material. So every single class day has a corresponding link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on, let's click on day 1. And what I will find here is everything that I need to be up to speed with this day's class. And so you'll see there's an overview where I tell you a little bit about the course. Then if you click on next, there are the objectives for the day. And if I click on next, there's also a list of the different reading material that's required for the day. This should actually say day. I'll change that. It should say day. So you'll see, okay, so in order for me to be ready for today's class, I should have read the syllabus, I should have read something about the ALST exam, and I should read some readings in which we were doing an in-class diagnostic writing. And then I also give you a PowerPoint that we were using for the day. So just to reiterate, because sometimes it can get a little overwhelming, and I'll go back. What these are called modules. What these modules really are, one, you'll click on them to understand what is going to be happening for the day, but two, you'll click on them to see what is expected of you, what you should have come in already having read, having written, etc. And I do my best to make that clear to you. So I give you a little introduction. So on June 2nd, this is what we're going to be doing. These are the objectives that we have. These are the readings. And if there's ever any questions, of course you can ask me in class, but for the most part, the first 2 readings are ones that are for homework. So you should have already read this by June 2nd, and this is the prompt that is assigned for homework that should be done by June 2nd, and then what follows is what we're going to actually do on June 2nd during the class period. Hopefully that makes sense. So June 2nd, you're walking in at 9 a.m. having read California's Cycle of Drought, Water Use in California, and completing a prompt. And 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. we will be looking at a graphic, we will be doing our own in-class prompt, and we will be talking about what a summary is. Again, any questions you can always ask me. I just want you to play around and get comfortable with using Blackboard. These navigation tools that you're seeing here are really similar to what you'll be using when you're taking the ALST exam. So it's really important for you to feel comfortable with this navigation process and just in general obtaining information using this kind of platform.